Good morning, class. Do you want to hear a story?
Yes, Mom!
Okay, today I'm gonna read a story. I am your teacher, Mrs. Freslen Vilar, your storyteller. Today, the title of the story, Sound Game in the Zoo. It is written by Donabel H. Magararu. It's Teresa's much-awaited day. It's her 7th birthday. Her nanay and tatay promised that they would go to Laguna Wild Park and Rescue Center, a zoo at La Vista Pansol, Calamba City. As promised by her parents, today, the family will visit the Wildlife Park and Rescue Center. To make their visit fun and memorable, they decided to play a game. Teresa would be blindfolded and led by her parents near the animals' cages. She has to identify each animal by listening to the sound it makes. Nanay, tatay, and blindfolded Teresa approached the first animal. Teresa listened well until she heard this loud sound. Teresa exclaimed, "It's a horse! It's a horse!" She got it right. It was the Wildlife Park's newly adopted pony named Corona. Nanay replaced Teresa's blindfold and they went on to the next. The birthday girl listened carefully until she heard this loud sound. "Oh, what is that?" she asked. "I think it's a crocodile." She got it right. It's a caiman crocodile. The sound guessing game continued. Other animal sounds that Teresa guessed right are the following. Soft sound made by a snake. Loud sound by the wild pigs. Gentle sound from pigeons and A loud sound coming from a carabao. Teresa's family had a great day at the wildlife park. It was an unforgettable adventure and a birthday celebration that is worth the wait. Thank you, children. Hope you enjoy our story for today. Have a nice day. Bye.